Hello and welcome back everyone, it is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a new client, a color transformation on virgin hair. So without further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you like and comment. This is my lovely client here. As you can see, she's all natural, and I just want to let you guys know before I forget, I have the complete unedited version of this video showing exact formulas, all my tools, a little behind the scenes and everything. If you want to get a little bit more intimate and know more details or more in-depth tutorials, then please be sure to sign up for my memberships. They start as low as 99 cents a month, and it does support my channel as well. So I want to give a shout out to my very first member. Her name is Shayla. I literally just randomly posted this yesterday, very low key, and she just commented on my membership post. So I wanted to shout you out, girl, and say thank you for being the first to join, and I cannot wait to see who else joins my membership. So again, I'm going to be posting a little bit more intimate videos on my memberships, and I'm also going to be posting everything as far as like my formula, my breakdown, how I apply things. Literally nothing will be left out, so that way you guys know exactly how I maneuver. And I also have the pricing breakdown as well in that full tutorial on my membership channel. So you can literally just join by going to the top of my YouTube page and then just hit join. So here I am. I blow dried my client out. As you guys can see, she came in with her hair super natural, and she did a wash and go, had a couple 2-strand twists, so I had to go through, detangle her hair, and blow dry it out. She did have a little bit of heat protectant and leave-in in her hair, so I just went in, sprayed a little bit more, and blow dried her hair out. You don't have to worry about that. You just want to make sure that if you are stretching the hair out with the blow dryer, you're just making sure that you're protecting it. So now I'm going to go in and lighten her hair, and we're going for a fall hair color, so like a reddish copper color. And in my mind, I wanted to go ahead and start to lift her first because she is a natural level 2, very dark hair color. So I want to make sure that I get her into about like an orangish yellow shade, so that way I can put these toners on her hair and then have the red come out the way that I plan. So you guys know you have to add 2 parts developer to 1 part lightener. So that's the equation that you see me doing here. And I'm just making sure to add a generous amount. And I'm showing you guys on the scale what I'm doing. It is sped up just because I didn't want this video to be super long. And of course, I am going to be adding in some olaplex as well. And because I was out of the olaplex number 2, I did go in with the leaf and flower molecular mender and the olaplex 4-in-1 moisture mask, just to make sure that her hair is nice and healthy. So I'm going to proceed to part her hair, and I'm just using my Fremar tools. Shout out to them. They just sent me the Jamie Dana collaboration, and it is so bomb. Like, the bowls are porcelain, and I am obsessed. I love the color palette. I love the quality. So I'm going to just purchase some more, honestly, to have in my house as like decorative bowls because they are super cute. I'm so scared to use them because I don't want them to stain, but that's just a little side note. So I'm going to start applying her lightener all over. Again, I'm going to start away from the roots and then do the roots last. And I'm just going to start in my 4 quadrants. Once I'm done, I will hop back on in just a minute. So now that I'm done hitting her roots, I am going to go and shampoo all of this lightener out of her hair. I'm going to rinse the back section first and then the front. And then I'm just going to go in and make sure that I'm applying a generous amount of that leaf and flower mender that I mentioned before. I will be sure to link that down below as well. And I'm just going to go in and make sure that I thoroughly condition her hair so that way it's nice and healthy. And as you can see, her curls look bomb.com, just a lighter blonde shade. And then I'm just replacing her towel because I don't want that lightener to sit on the back of her neck or the nape area of her hair and cause it to break off because it's sitting too long. And now I'm just gonna go in and I'm showing you guys what I'm using here. I'm putting this in. I did a deep condition for about 10 minutes, and then after this I'm going to section her and then start applying her toners. Once I'm done toning her, I will go in and shampoo her hair. I'm going to go in with the Matrix Keep Me Vivid shampoo and conditioner, as well as the Matrix Keep Me Vivid lamination spray and the Olaplex number 6 before I blow dry. And then I'm also going to use some Influence S3 before I press her out to make sure that her hair is nice and protected. So what you see here is just me making sure that I have all those curls saturated with that product, so that way it can be nice and healthy. And for this color, I did mix 3 different toners. Again, if you guys want the exact information, it'll be on my membership tab. I literally show a breakdown of how I mix this, as well as my ratios, my pricing breakdown, my timing breakdown, and everything as well, if you want a little bit more detail. But just off the record, or for the record, I'm adding in Shades EQ by Redken, and I'm going in with a level 5 and a level 6, and I'm using the Ash, and I'm also using the 6RR, so that way we have an an auburn color. Oh my goodness, 6AA as in auburn, and CC as in copper, so that way we have the copper and auburn coming together. And then once I let that sit for about 15 minutes, I am going in with the Matrix shampoo and conditioner, and I'm just making sure to shampoo and condition her hair before I get ready to blow dry her out. So once this was done, I'm going to blow her out again with the Leaf and Flower Molecular Oil, and I'm also going to use the Olaplex number 6 and my Matrix Lamination Spray, if I can talk, and I'm just going to go ahead and start to blow her out. Once I'm done, I'm going to just press her and trim her ends. I will show that on the camera as well. But we got the perfect fall shade. This looks exactly how I pictured it, so I'm very, very happy. I think for the future, I'll just go in a little bit darker in the center and then darken it around her face once wintertime comes. But she was very happy. She was super satisfied. So I'm going to finish pressing her out and then styling her. And then once I'm done, I'm going to just leave in the clip at the end with how she was swinging her hair and her commentary. She had me cracking up. She was such a vibe, and she came from Maryland to come see me, which is about an hour away from where my salon suite is. So shout out to you, girl, for being so amazing. And yeah, I'm getting ready to hop off of here. I have to get ready to take my son to soccer practice. But thank you guys so much for being patient, and I cannot wait to drop my big news on my my membership channel about why I've been gone and what's going on in my life, and just to connect with you guys a little bit more intimately. Thanks everyone who supports my channel, follows my channel, who supports my content. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys are the GOAT. And I just really love what I do here. So I'm glad that I have a space where I can just be myself and show you guys what I love to do, and just have you guys be a part of that journey means the most to me. So I'm going to hop off of here and let this play through. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
And we are
giving fun politician.
I'm cracking.
Vote for me for city council, but I'm fun. You know,
Vote for me for mayor and check the lace.
Oh no, I won't be bringing the back alley strippers. I'll get the real ones.
I'm hollering. Like virgin hair. Yes. Just like give you a little bit of dimension. Oh, not it moving. Oh.
Exactly.
Like, man, I'm cracking.